FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers, and for the date of 21st of November 2018, we are ready to present our point of view of how to trade major currencies in the world financial markets. And now the situation is really very complicated. It seems so, because now the United States dollar is at the juncture of non-understanding, let's say so, because from one point of view, risk aversion situation more or less associated with trading wars, for example, or political instability of Europe, or probably Brexit negotiation impasse. Of course, from that point of view, United States dollar is the main beneficiary of the current situation and should remain in such conditions for a while. At the same time, we should understand that the topic, the theme that was raised by recent Federal Market Committee members, among them Lakota Williams, and they expressed some concerns regarding the global state of world economy and its impact on the United States economy. As a result, the question is how fast in its policy of raising its interest rates will be the Fed in the nearest future, and especially during the next meeting that's scheduled for December. In such kind of environment, probably it's better to rely on technical factors. And today we'd like to concentrate your attention on major currencies, and for example the euro dollar, because of a last kind of weakness, last session weakness. As you know, the euro dollar plunged from the highs of 114.70 during previous trading session to the lows of 113.60, so it's more than one big figure, just about 0.7% weakness during previous trading session. And now, of course, the euro dollar is looking vulnerable to another plunge lower, probably to the level of 113. That's still a kind of strong support, despite of a lot of breakings of this level for the last, let's say, couple of months. But we still suggest that euro dollar should have some upside potential in the nearest future, and probably even during today's session we could see it again above the level 114. Of course, from a longer term point of view, the pair should break above 116, where lies its 2018 downtrend line. From a more longer term point of view, only a break above a moving average 200 daily line located around 118 could really improve the bullish technical perspectives of the currency. As regarding the dollar yen, despite of all kind of risk aversion situation, the Japanese yen still continues rather weak, and that's because probably Japanese investors continue to buy any kind of United States assets, and that of course should support the dollar yen as well as some other yen crosses. We suggest anyway that sooner or later the situation will not dramatically but will change to the worse side for this kind of currencies, like for example dollar yen, or for example some other crosses, and among them of course the euro yen. Anyway, here we still suggest to stay short at 113.50 with a stop at the entry level, and in better cases we continue to suggest that the pair could plunge to its 200 daily moving average that's located around 110.19 and coincides at the moment with psychologically important barrier 110. As regarding sterling continues to look quite weak because of a Brexit negotiation standoff, and of course from that point of view should remain vulnerable to another squeeze to the downside, and probably next couple of days, weeks will show us an answer to this question. As regarding the dollar Swiss, The dollar Swiss continue to look, as we suggest, weak at the moment. That's also because of the strong position of the Swiss franc against some other currencies. Among them, for example, is Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss broke below its current uptrend line. It still continues to trade below its moving average 200 daily line located at 115.64. Also, there is another strong resistance around 115. And while trading below its downtrend of 2018 located at 114.35, the pair should remain vulnerable to another downturn. That's why we suggest to sell the Euro Swiss on a possible uptick to the level of 114.30 with a stop above critically important barrier 115. Thank you very much for all your attention, our dear subscribers. Take care and see you tomorrow the same time. Bye bye for now.